Hi guys, so today, or this weekend, we are staying at Copper Creek. It's in the Wilderness Lodge. It's the DVC rooms, or the DVC portion of the hotel. So I thought I'd give you guys a quick little room tour. These rooms are impressive if they all look like this. We are staying in room 1166. So we're on the first floor. We are right next to the swimming pool, which will be really nice. So let's go take a look.
Hey Dale.
Hey.
This is the room.
So here's our room. We have a studio room. So when you walk in, you have this little hallway. And then
There's a little closet.
to your right, you have,
There's a little closet.
oh geez, a closet. So pillows, blankets, ironing board, room for your luggage. And then if you continue this way, you have,
see some of these.
you'll have a kitchenette here. So you have a microwave, and then you have coffee maker, refrigerator. This fun little thing pulls out. As you can tell, we did bring some snacks for the weekend. And then you have drawers under here. Up here you have, looks like plates. I thought there was a toaster. Oh yeah, it's hidden right up here. So you have toaster, ice maker, everything that you'll need for your stay. And then this way we have a little dining area, little table to either work at or eat at. And then let me kind of stand back here. This is the living room. So ours has a couch, which is where Houston will sleep, that pulls out into a bed, and then a TV, and then our balcony. And then this way, you have a whole nother room. So it's almost like a little one bedroom.
Yeah, I think it's because just where we're located. I don't think it's the normal one.
It's a really cool layout though. You have a lot of space. So here's the bathroom. We've already unpacked our stuff for our trip, but so you have a bathroom, or maybe it's because it looks like we have a handicap room. I'm not sure. And then you have just a normal tub and shower, but it does have the rain shower head, which is really nice. And then you have lots of storage here in the bathroom. And then you have like a whole nother,
Little section.
yeah, a whole nother section over here that has like its own bedroom. So you have your bed, another TV, more dressers. The beds are lifted, so you can put, as you can tell, we put our luggage under there. But it's so roomy. And then we have all these cute windows. So there's a window here, a window here, a window here. Here's another window.
And Houston's going to show you out to the patio.
Here's two more windows. And then the patio is super small. It's almost like a little cave. So it barely fits your chairs. But yeah, it's like
We're on the first floor.
a little cave. We're on the first floor, which will be nice because tonight for dinner, we're headed right there to, what's it called?
I think
Geyser Point for dinner.
and the pool's right to the left.
Yeah, and then the pool I showed you guys is like right out to the left. So the location is great. This room though, I mean, let me see if I can.
Yeah, I don't believe this is a typical deluxe room. I think it's just because where we're located. Because everyone we see is just a normal deluxe looking Disney room. It's just
Really?
like yeah, so I think it's just because where we're located, I believe.
So this tip, guys, if you want a fun room with a lot of space, it's like each person gets their own room, or each part of the family gets their own room, and it's separated. Room 1166. So this is just the room tour. There will be more videos about our weekend stay. So if you want to keep watching and see how the weekend goes, just go ahead and subscribe and click that notification bar and it will let you know. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later.